This is the first Mesh 2 online class for class 8. This is chapter 13, construction of quadrilateral. In the last chapter, chapter 12, we have learned about quadrilateral in detail. So in this chapter, you are going to learn how to construct a quadrilateral according to given data. You know, quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. So straight away we shall move to the first type of construction. The first type is construction of a quadrilateral when 4 sides and a diagonals are given. So for 4 sides we write 4s and 1d for one diagonal. So this type of construction you can say SSSD, which stands for size diagonal. You know, there are 2 diagonals in a quadrilateral. Let's take a quadrilateral ABCD. So here AC is a diagonal, and for the same quadrilateral ABCD, BD is also another diagonal. So in this type of construction, 4 sides along with 1 diagonal will be given. The given diagonal may be, for quadrilateral ABCD, diagonal may be AC or diagonal may be BD, but only 1 out of 2 diagonals will be given. So straight away we shall move to the first question of this type. Here is the first question. Question is, construct a quadrilateral ABCD given that AV is equal to 7 cm, BC is equal to 4 cm, CD is equal to 5 cm, AD is equal to 6 cm, and AC is equal to 8 cm. So before we start anything construction, draw a rough diagram of quadrilateral ABCD. Here the name of quadrilateral is ABCD. So we draw a quadrilateral ABCD without measurement. This is a rough diagram. Name it ABCD and write its length according to the given data. AB length is 7 centimeter, so we write AB to be 7. Like that, BC length is given to be 4, so we write 4 centimeter. CD 5, AD is 6 centimeter, and diagonal AC is 8 centimeter. So this is the first step, and our construction will based on this rough diagram. So for solution, step of construction, you have to write all the step of construction. The first step, okay, before we start this construction, for this type of question where 4 sides and 1 diagonals are given, in the first step, construct the given diagonal. Here diagonal is AC, so in the first step we have to draw this AC, whose length is 8 centimeter. So in the first step we have written AC is equal to 8 centimeter is drawn. So now for this first step, let's draw AC, which is 8 centimeter long. AC length is 8 centimeter, so I start drawing from 0 till 8 centimeter using your scale, and we name this as AC. Now let's see the second question. Let's see the second step. The second step is, with A as center and radius 6 centimeter and arc is drawn. So I'll give you some option for this second step. Now for this ABCD with diagonal AC, in the first step we have drawn diagonal AC. So what can be your next step, second step? The next step can be, since we have AC here, in the rough diagram, go back to the rough diagram. In the rough AC we have. So the next step can be, you can draw for AD, because we already have A. We can draw for CD, or you can draw for AB. You can also draw for CB. So you have 4 options. But let's draw for AD. And you can see the length of AD is 6 centimeter. So to draw for AD, we don't have D now. In our construction, after the first step, we have only A and C. So for AD, whose length is 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter, with A as center and radius 6 centimeter and arc is drawn. Now let's do the second step. We take A center and radius of the arc is 6 centimeter. So you measure 6 centimeter in your scale. I put the needle of compass here at 0 and pencil N at 6. It is exactly 6 centimeter. So taking this A as center, draw an arc whose length is 6 centimeter. There is an arc. Second step is done. Now let's go to the third step. Again, since we have drawn for AD in the second step, now the third step should be for CD. And you know the length of CD is 5 centimeter. So third step is with C as center and radius 5 centimeter, another arc is drawn, cutting the previous arc at D. Now the second arc is to be drawn by taking C center and radius is 5 centimeter. Why? The length of CD is 5. So again, let's measure 5 centimeter. Five centimeter. It is 5 centimeter. So we take C center and we already draw the first arc. Just cut the first arc at one point, and you can see first and second arc intersect at a point. So this point is D. Then now fourth step. The fourth step, simply we are to join AD and CD. AD and CD are joined. So join them by using scale. Okay, let's go back and see the rough figure. ABCD, now I think we have this ACD triangle. Then our next step can be for AB or CB. Here the step number 5. With A as center and radius 7 centimeter, an arc is drawn. Now we are to draw for AB. The length of AB 7 centimeter. Since we don't have B now, we have to take A center and radius of the arc should be 7 centimeter. Now let's measure 7 centimeter. Yeah, that is 7 centimeter. So taking A as center, now let's see where is A. Here is A. Taking this A center, we draw an arc whose radius is 7 centimeter. Then, now what could be the last step? We got AD, we got CD, then we have done now for AV, and now the last size to be drawn is BC. So for this BC, again we'll take C center and the radius of arc will be 4 centimeter. So now step number C, step number 6. With C as center and radius 4 centimeter, another arc is drawn, cutting the previous arc at B. Again, let's measure 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. So taking C as center, we cut the first arc at one point, and the point of intersection of this arc is B. Then the last step is AV and BC are joined. Now again let's join AV and BC. here we get a quadrilateral AVCD, and now if we measured, the length of AC will be 8 centimeter, AD will be 6 centimeter, then AB will be 7 centimeter, BC will be 4 centimeter, and CD will be 5 centimeter. So this AVCD is the required quadrilateral.